Hello everyone and welcome back to Arts and Crafts Kingdom. Today, I'm going to show you how to draw a super cool speedboat. Make sure to watch all the way to the end to see if I show the artwork that you have sent in on today's episode. Grab some pens and papers and let's get started. Place your ruler just below the middle of the page and trace a horizontal line of about 16 centimeters. Twist your ruler in an oblique position and draw two lines going up on both sides. Let's make the second line a bit longer than the first line. Now, starting from the top of the right line, let's trace a wavy line going down until we touch the first line. Let's draw an exact same wavy line underneath the first one. This way, we're gonna draw the edge of our boat. Now move your ruler and trace an oblique line going up. Continue by drawing the line going right and curving down. Now follow my steps and let's draw the front window. Moving on, let's add some details to our boat. Don't worry, you don't have to rush. Remember, you can always rewind the video and watch all the steps over and over again, as many times as you need. Time to draw the sea. Draw a wavy line going around the boat. This way, it will look like the waves of the sea. Have you guys ever been on a speedboat? I have never been on one, but I think that would be so much fun. Using your black marker, go over the outlines of your speedboat. Take your time and try and be as precise as you can, but if you make a mistake, don't worry, that's totally fine. Good job, guys! Now it's time to color in. You guys can either copy me or decide to decorate your boat as you wish. I will shade a light blue pencil to color the windows. For the control cabin, I choose red. What color did you guys choose? And for the edge of the boat, I choose dark blue. Yellow for the details and black for the back bit. For the last part of my boat, I choose green. Keep going, guys, we're almost there. Good job! Now grab your favorite shade of blue and color in the waves of the sea. To give more depth to your sea, you can decide to switch to a darker or lighter shade of blue. Let's fix a few last details. And that's it! We have now drawn our cool speedboat! Well done, everyone! And remember, as always, practice makes perfect. Now it's time for Let's Show Your Art! In this part of the episode, we show all the amazing arts and crafts you guys have sent in. Today's art was sent in by Charlie. What a beautiful rainbow! Great use of colors, and I really like the inside line you added to the clouds, because this way they look even fluffier. Well done, Charlie! If you would like to send in your arts and crafts for us to show in one of our videos, then please send it to this email address. And that's all we have time for today. Make sure to like this video by pressing the thumbs up button and press the subscribe button below to be the first to watch new videos every week. Also, don't forget to tell your friends in school about Arts and Crafts Kingdom. See you soon!